Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating the obvious power causes. Plug in the original charger and charge to about 50% 80%, then remove any bulky case so heat can dissipate. Once done, reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app forces a shutdown. Safe mode isolates apps. While in safe mode, run the phone for 10-15 minutes and watch battery percent and temperature. This tells you whether hardware or software is triggering the auto power off. Next, focus on software and battery health. Make sure the operating system and all apps are updated, because buggy builds can force shutdowns. Then run a battery health or diagnostics app to check remaining capacity, voltage, and discharge curves. Low capacity or erratic voltage points to battery failure. You should also uninstall recent apps and clear the system cache partition, since corrupt caches or rogue apps commonly cause abrupt power loss under load. Finally, back up your data and attempt a factory reset to eliminate persistent software faults. This often fixes firmware corruption that causes shutdowns. If diagnostics show battery health below about 80% or voltage spikes, replace the battery. Modern cells degrade and trigger sudden off. Once done, monitor behavior. Make sure to check boot logs for thermal or kernel panic messages. If problems continue, take the phone to an authorized service center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.